Good day, this is Dr. Nick coming to you from the future of leadership, and yesterday something happened at the World Cup, the Soccer World Cup, that got me thinking when Belgium came back from a 2-0 staring defeat in the face, from being down 2-0 to turning the game around and winning 3-2 in the last minute. So, and this really only happened once in fact, the last time it happened, it was in 1970 when Germany turned around the same deficit against England. So it hardly ever happens, and it had everything to do with a coach, the Belgian coach, or Belgium's coach, Martinez, who decided when they conceded the second goal to bring on 2 subs and to turn around the mindset. And in fact, this is what he said after the game. He said, going into the game, because we were tagged as favorites, we were scared to lose. We harbored the fear of losing. And this is exactly what happens so many times in our lives, in our career. You go into a new position, you go into the game, and you start operating from a position of fearing to lose your cushy job, fearing to lose your title, fearing to lose your position, and then all you do, you build up the defenses. You just protect what you've got. You don't move forward. And then something happens and something changes and you lose a client or you lose your job and you're really battling to recover. So what you need to do throughout your career, throughout your life, is that you have to substitute your resources and your thinking. And here's what I mean. When you go into a new position, what you have to do, once you step up, once you become comfortable in that new position, you hit a plateau. We always hit that plateau, and then we struggle to move up to the next level. And the best way to move up to the next level, to turn around your game, is to get a fresh perspective. Because so many times what happens, and we call it in German, we call it you stew in your own juice. It means that you become too comfortable in your own perspective and you do not invite other perspectives. So as you build up your team, your board of advisors around you, you have to invite fresh perspectives that many times contradict what you think, that many times run contrary to what you have constituted as your worldview, as your view of the world, your view of the company, your view of your position. And you have to agree to disagree. You have to invite these contradictory perspectives. That's the only way to turn around your game and to end up winning, and in fact to keep winning. And what you have to do, you have to get people around you that really care about you, that care about your well-being. So that's more than a mentor, it's almost a guardian. Somebody that has your back, but that has your back in such a way that they keep critiquing you, they keep criticizing you, and they keep giving you a different perspective. So look out for those people. You need at least one, preferably 2 or more of those positive critics in your life and in your career.